Okay, on this table are some rocks I've collected here in Central Texas, just northwest of Austin, Texas. And we find thousands of rocks that are interesting. I mean, we can pick up thousands of petrified oyster shells, big deal. We can find those all day long, all over Texas. But I wanted to get your opinion in the comments on what you think some of these are. I mean, you look at this material right here, and it's obviously a real thin vein or valve. I mean, you can see the different color from the rest of the rock. And on some of these, I'm going to be putting some water on them too, just to look at what they look like when they're wet. Look at that material there. What am I holding in my hand? Okay, next. But this one was interesting. Something. Okay, so let's pour some water on this one. See what this one looks like. It's just interesting. I didn't know what to make of this one. Let's look at the other side. One more time. Okay. This one's really interesting. It almost looks like it's the size of a small kid's bowling ball. My daughter's written stuff all over it. Ignore that. Let's get this one wet and take a look at it. Okay. It's got some really distinctive holes in it. This sucker's like almost perfectly round. Look at that. Try to get a good shot of these holes. Look at that. There's those two stones. Yeah. This one's interesting. A little water on there. When we get a lot of these bones, well, the rocks that look straight up like bones. I mean, I don't know if this is part of a vertebrae. Look at that. Perfectly formed. Here's another one that's just incredible. Look at the shape of this thing. Look at how that's tunneled out. Look at that. And there's another one. Look at that. Look at that thing. Perfectly hollowed out there. Okay. Another one. I mean, that obviously has some definite function. Look at the perfectly defined shape of that thing. That's not a bone, I don't know what is. These two are quite similar. They're very smooth. And then this one I thought was interesting, just with the layers, almost like layers of skin. It's a side view there. One more. Look at this one. Look at that. I find a lot of rocks like this. Like some type of liver or heart or intestine, or I don't know. there's all those oysters. We find these all day long, petrified all through the canyons. We're in Austin. We're a long ways away from the salt water, folks. And there's tons of these. There's thousands of these through the hills. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you.